Hello, kindergarten artists. Today we are going to be making some wonderful winter owls. I know you all have been studying winter animals in class, and so I thought we would work on a winter animal project together as well. And we are going to make these collage winter owls. So when I say collage, that means that we're creating art using different materials together. So for the owl, you'll see I used oil pastel for my snow. I used different types of construction paper, and then I used magazines and newspapers to create my owl. So mixing those all together creates a collage. So what you need today is, everyone got a little packet of paper like this at the last supply pickup. And all you need from this packet today is the large sheet of brown paper. So there's 2 pieces of brown paper and you need that big one. And then all the rest of this we're just gonna put to the side because we are gonna use this next week. So we need that large sheet of brown paper. We need some school glue and a little paintbrush and something to put your glue in. I'm gonna use a paint palette like this. You could use just a piece of cardboard or a paper plate or something that you can squeeze the glue out on. And then you need, inside that same art supply kit I sent home, there's a sheet of newspaper. You can use the newspaper, or you can look around your house for magazines or junk mail, things that you can tear up and use in our art. So I'm gonna use some magazine sheets today. All right, so our first step for our owl is to draw a big circle in the center of that large sheet of brown paper. This is gonna be our owl's body. You want it pretty big, bigger than your hand, I would say. All right, and now, this is the fun part, I think. We get to tear up this paper, and we are just gonna fill our entire circle with these little pieces of paper. So I'm gonna get my glue and just put some glue down on my paper. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. And then stick my little torn sheets of magazine or newspaper. And you're just gonna go around your whole circle and keep doing this. You wanna fill the entire circle so we don't see the brown construction paper in the circle anymore. We're gonna cover our whole circle and cover the line that you made for your circle. All right. Oops, I scared my puppy. I dropped my paintbrush. Okay. So I want you to just keep working and filling in your circle, and then let's just pretend that my circle is all filled in. So once you fill in your entire circle with your newspaper or magazine sheets, you're gonna go over all of those again with the glue, just in case there's pieces that are kind of popping up and didn't get all the way glued down. Just real lightly, just brush over the top of those with some more glue so we know they're gonna stay put. And then when your whole circle is full and everything is sealed down with glue, you're just gonna set this to the side until next week, because we want this to dry completely before we move on to our next steps to our owl. So we're gonna put this to the side somewhere safe, let it dry, and then next week we'll come back together and we are gonna put together our adorable winter owls. Okay, so have fun with this, and I'll see you guys next week.